Hey everyone, today I want to show you how I paint a tropical crashing wave. And so I'm going to use water and acrylics. I mixed colors for my clouds and I wanted to make it look like it's a sunset setting. So I quickly lay out all my colors with water and acrylics and then use a dry M1 blending brush to blend everything in it. And then afterwards I dry it out and then I start adding the details, all the little cloud details and sharpening everything and layering all my clouds. And then afterwards I'm gonna work on adding all the trees and bushes and my palm trees, and then using a detail brush to detail everything and add all the highlights. And then after I'm done with that, then I'm gonna go on to adding the base of my crashing wave. And then once I added the base, I sprinkle using my number 8 brush and a little bit of water and titanium white. Now I detail everything, and here it is. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you for being here.